Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. So for this week's malware and ransomware news, phishing scams are on the rise. Services such as Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, Apple TV are all being targeted by hackers using phishing emails. The goal is to steal your information. A hacker claimed to breach Citrix systems and extract the personal information for over 2 million users, and this is available for purchase on the dark web for $20,000. The Canadian Defense Academy was hit with ransomware this past week. A hacker claimed to put the data from 142 million guests of the MGM resorts for sale on the dark web for only $2,900. Live Auctioneers, an online auction platform, disclosed a data breach this past week for 3.4 million user records, and they're being sold on the dark web for $2,500. Over 1.2 million user records of the multiplayer game Stalker Online are reportedly being sold on the dark web. We're also aware of the remote desktop malware that is being used. There were an estimated 200,000 daily brute force remote desktop attacks in the US pre-COVID. Now it's estimated that there are 1.3 million attacks daily. So hackers scan for open ports for remote desktop services across the internet with free tools. They then attempt to log in and gain access to your system as an administrator. Once they are in, they disable security systems, and this might involve installing ransomware on the network, deploying keyloggers, using the compromised machines to distribute spam, stealing sensitive data, installing backdoors that can be used for future attacks. They then proceed to watch and wait. They take your data, they sell it, and then the last thing they're going to do is they're going to hold you for ransom. Now the average ransomware attack now is around $40,000. So if you get ransomed, it's not the $2,000 anymore. They're going to be asking for $40,000. If you're interested in learning more, please go to our website listed in the comment section. You can go to www.larrycomputerguy.com/sitting duck, SITTINGDUCK, all lowercase. Stay safe and have a great week.